Okay, I'm creating a pattern for it inside the spawn house. No one bother me.
I'll just remake that stupid pattern.
Now I'm doing a complete pattern of the central floor.
Oh, that pig's doesn't want to die. It's an invincible. What are you doing with water, Porky?
I allowed him to have it. What do you...
Fail.
What happened? I cannot kill those pig, what the heck? They were probably caught inside and you guys couldn't see them, because when I relogged in they disappeared. No, you're not putting diamond block, that's for sure. Those things are the worst thing there is.
What do you mean?
Well, they're ugly. They don't look right, and
Ugly.
you should avoid them. Because fancy blocks don't look pretty. Doesn't mean they're less than they look pretty.
You're in a pattern though.
It doesn't matter. You're using like all of the block you shouldn't use. You got all of them there. You got lightstone, you got iron block, you got diamond block, and then you got obsidian. Like you shouldn't
Actually, on
mess
my
around with
texture
them.
pack, this looks pretty cool.
Yeah, but on normal texture pack, they look kind of ugly.
I'm on the normal texture pack and I think it looks fine.
Yeah, for once, Porky's right. Doesn't
But
happen
then
often.
you have
But
no texture.
it doesn't matter. The texture is the worst part of these blocks.
Fine, I'll show you your idea and see how bad it is.
Thank you. One light stone is okay, not more. Here's a little help.